What up mga solid subscribers na guys, no? So, a very big shout out kay SB Edits po, no? Panoorin po natin guys yung mga updates po sa ating mahaliman, no? So, yan, very big shout out po kay SB Edits, no? So, subscribe kayo dyan guys, na marami tayong mga updates na tag dito, hindi nababalitaan sa SB19 ngayon. Although nabasa ko, pero not to the point yung lahat po talaga, no? So, isa to si SB Edits sa mga YouTuber na talagang inaabangan ko pag halimbawa may mga updates sa SB19. Okay. So, magbibigay tayo ng ating mga opinion, personal opinion regarding po sa mga updates ng ating mahaliman. Just like nung last video ko, no? Yun nga, regarding doon sa ticket sales po yung ticket sales tuloy. Yung issue po doon sa kung bakit hindi natuloy yung concert ng SB19. Okay? Tara.
SB Edits. Fresh, new, and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. SB19 is slaying the voting on AAA Popularity Award as they are now holding the top one of the male group category with 15.67% of votes as of 5:17 p.m. Philippine time today. Congratulations SB19X18 now holding the top one of the male group category with 15.67% of votes as of 5:17 p.m. Philippine time today. Congratulations SB19X18. At this point, we are asking for all 18 to continue voting for SB19 and to protect our lead. Now that we are on the top one, we need to maintain this rank until the end of the preliminary round.
Kung titignan nyo guys, no? Sobrang liit lang ng agwat ng SB19 ngayon, no? So, keep voting lang naman, yun lang. Keep voting lang, no?
With 15.67
and 15.12. Napakaliit pa niyan, guys, no? I think meron pang i-stretch yan, guys.
67% of votes as of 5:17 p.m. Philippine time today. Congratulations SB19
AAA na dominate natin, no? Parang sa Billboard Fan Army, no, 'di ba? Pwede 'yun, no? Kasi parang kayang-kaya naman,
10x18. At this point, we are asking for all 18 to continue voting for SB19 and to protect our lead. Now that we are on the top one, we need to maintain this rank until the end of the preliminary round. Good job 18. Widen the gap more and also don't forget to prepare for the final round of this voting.
Yung I think hindi imposible yan guys, no? Kasi sa Billboard Fan Army nga guys, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, pero parang mas mabigat yung yung parang challenge doon guys, no? Since very well known artists yung mga nakalaban, no? Meron andun pa si Taylor Swift, 'di ba? Blackpink, andun pa 'di ba nakalaban nila, pero nanalo sila sa Billboard Fan Army, no guys, 'di ba? Na category guys, no? Nanalo sila, no? So I think kaya to, no? Pero syempre hindi pa rin tayo pwedeng makampante dahil amaya pag nakampante hindi na kayo bumoto. So, yun lang naman. Kailangan pa rin suportahan kahit anong mangyari. Na, okay? Meron pa tayong isang mapanoorin.
SB Edits. Fresh, new, and major updates about SB19.
Ta-da!
Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. We got another amazing update to give you 18 as SB19 official now confirmed that the Fast Zone event is now officially sold out. Thank you so much to all 18 who purchased tickets. While SB19 safely landed in Dubai today, they were of course welcomed by many 18 waiting for their arrival at the airport.
Grabe, no? Galing silang Dubai tapos at the same time magpe-prepare sila sa Fast Zone guys, no? Grabe.
Team BB on X went live earlier for their airport salubong. For those who want...
Comment down below nga guys, no? Paano na nalaman na ngayon ang land ng SB19, no? Paano nyo nalaman? Doon ako nahiwagaan. Alam ng mga fans na yun, dating nila. Or talaga nag-aabang sila ng buong araw, no?
SB19's arrival at Dubai Airport. We will attach the link of the live stream in the pinned comment of this video, so make sure to check it out 18.
Okay. Solid na. Marami pa tayong mga updates na panoorin. I think last update tayo guys, no? Okay.
SB Edits. Fresh, new, and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. Sit back and relax as we will be going to give you multiple SB19 achievements. Let's start first on the local chart as Simula at Wakas EP re-entered iTunes Philippines Top Albums chart today, currently at top 4. Next, SB19.
Tingnan naman mga nasa taas ng SB19. Yan, syempre, K-pop Demon Hunters, guys. Sobrang ano po talaga niyan. Sobrang patok niyan, guys. So, Taylor Swift. Okay na. So, reasonable naman, guys. No? Kasi talagang mga ano yan.
Currently at top 4. Next, SB19's Damn re-entered Billboard Philippines Hot 100 chart today.
Grabe, ang tagal na ng Damn. Tapos, up until no, parang Gento, no? Yung Gento, guys, naalala nyo yun? Kahit 2 years from now na, no? Parang ang ingay pa. 2 years to 3 years from now na yata. Ilang taon na bang Gento, no? Sa ibang bansa, ang ingay pa rin niya, guys, no?
Hey, October 11, 2025, the song is currently at rank 100.
Kahit rank 100 yan, guys, na ano pa rin, no? Kasi, ang tagal na nung Damn, guys, no? Di ba?
From local charts, let's move
hindi
on
naman sobrang tagal, pero alam mo yun, parang hindi na era ng Damn, no? Pero up until now, grabe pa rin.
Massive international charts as SB19 is still charting on the Oricon charts.
Shimla at Wakas. But Shimla?
SB19 Simula at Wakas EP is now charting on its 3rd week at Oricon's top-selling album chart. Simula at Wakas has also managed to enter the monthly ranking of Oricon's Western Music album chart, currently charting at rank 18 for the month of September. From chart achievements, let's now have the nominations achievements. As SB19 official posted on social media, SB19's nominations on the Awit Awards and the Filipino Music Awards. For Awit Awards, it is already announced that SB19 have 5 group nominations and 5 solo members nominations.
Grabe, no? Music Video of the Year, Kalakal with Glock9. Best Cover Art, Kalakal. Best Global Collaboration, yan, Moonlight, syempre Ian Asher and Terry Song. Best Rap, Hip-Hop Recording, Kalakal. Best Vocal Arrangement, Kalakal.
While on the Filipino Music Awards, SB19 received a total of 9 nominations. Let's move on to another new awards nomination, this time from the Manila Film Critics Circle Awards, as SB19 Pagtatag the Documentary has been nominated under the Best Documentary category. The winners for this awarding body will be announced this coming October 11, and the trophies will be delivered to the winners. Congratulations SB19 X18! Now that the boys are now on their way to Middle East for their upcoming concert in Dubai and Doha, let's continue to promote Dubai and Doha concert stop. Few tickets are left for Dubai, so make sure to secure a ticket now and let's sell it out before the concert day.
Grabe, guys, no? Napakarami. Alala ko nga nun, guys, no? Hindi ko alam kung anong awards yan, guys, no? Dumating sa point na gusto talaga nila umattend sa music awards, no? Mga music awards. Tapos, since busy yung iba, no? Parang isa or dalawa lang. May time pa kasi Josh tsaka si Pablo lang yata umattend, no? Kasi gusto na talaga nilang umattend. Kahit ang dami nilang mga awards, guys, no? Mga awards night, no? Uma-attend sila, no? Gusto nila talaga. Tapos, as much as they want, minsan hindi sila na-kompleto talaga dahil sa mga kanilang mga agendas, no? Pero yun yung nakakatuwa, no? Kahit iba na, grabe na rin talaga yung SB19, no? Pinapakita nila na talagang appreciative talaga sila sa kanilang mga achievements po talaga, no? So shoutout sa SB19 and sa buong 18 talaga, no? Solid po talaga. So yun lang, guys, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para lang nyo po nag-release ng bagong video. So this point of signing out, peace, let's see.